Welcome to Maths and Science by IITIAN channel. In this lecture, I will be taking up a very good example for Maths Olympiad, JEE Maths and also higher mathematics examinations and also for mathematics enthusiasts. It is a combination of linear algebra and also number theory. Linear algebra plus number theory. Mathematics is not individually a defined science of a particular topic. Mathematics, two topics can be combined. Number theory is combined with linear algebra. What happens? These are all practical problems inspired by intuition and innovation. An innovative idea from my side, I thought let me combine the linear algebra with number theory and find out the value of k if the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix, which can be found from linear algebra basics, if that determinant is raised to an exponent of 2025, very high number, very large number. If the last digit of that particular exponent is equal to 1 and in the determinant there is one unknown k is there, we have to find the value of k such that the determinant to the power of 2025, the last digit of it is equal to 1. It's a very good example of combination of linear algebra, matrices, determinants, exponents, exponential algebra combined with number theory principles, congruence and modular arithmetic. Congruence, modular arithmetic combined with matrices, determinants and exponents and algebra. Let us try to find out. The main problem is a matrix is there 5 to 7, the rows I am reading 5 to 7, 7k5, minus 4, minus 2 and minus 6. It's a 3 by 3 matrix and the determinant if it is found is called delta A. Then delta A to the power of 2025 is found out in terms of k, and if it is raised to the exponent of raised to the power of 2025 and if its last digit is 1, then what is the value of k? What is the value of k? It's a very tricky, complex problem, but we can solve with whatever knowledge we have gained through my lectures till now. For basics of linear algebra, determinant, please go back to my matrices lectures, and to find the last digit of any number to the power of 2025, please go back to my last digit lectures. And if the delta A determinant is in the form of k, how to find out? Let us see now. Let us try to solve this problem. Looks very tough at face value, but it's not that tough as it looks. What is the question? Question is a very tricky question. Question is if delta A, that is determinant of A, is equal to 5, 2, 7, it is the matrix, 7, k, 5, determinant of this matrix is delta A. Given that last digit of delta A to the power of 2025 is equal to 1. This is the only equation given. Find K is equal to how much? There are numerous steps involved in it. We will go for the solution. First step, to find the 3 by 3 matrix determinant in terms of K. Determinant A is equal to delta A is equal to determinant of 5, 2, 7, 7, K, 5, minus 4, minus 2, minus 6. That implies, because we have already seen how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us take the first row, find the cofactors and summing up them, product of cofactors and elements in the first row, we will do like this. Determinant of A is equal to, delta A is equal to 5 into, because first element is 5, into K into minus 6 minus 5 into minus 4. Five into not minus 4, it is minus 2. Because we have to leave that column in which we are finding the now minus 2 into, we have to leave the second column and first row. 7 into minus 6 minus 4 into 5 plus 7 into, this procedure I have already explained in the previous classes. Please refer to them. Please see them if you have any doubt. 7 into minus 2 minus 4 into K. This will be equal to 5 into minus 6K minus into minus is plus, plus 10. This minus 2 into 7 into minus 6 is minus 42. Minus into minus is plus, plus 20. Plus 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. Minus into minus is plus 4K. Because this is the crucial step, we have to do it very carefully. Delta A, because the whole problem depends upon the value of delta A in terms of K. 5 into minus 6 is minus 30K, plus 5 into 10 is plus 50, minus 2 into 42 is minus 84, minus 40, plus 84, minus 40, minus 7 into 14 is minus 98, plus 28K. Minus 30K minus 30K plus 28K is minus 2K. 50 plus 84, 134, 134 minus 40 is 114, 114 minus 98. 134, 134 minus 40, 134 it is to be reduced, minus 40. 50, 134, 134 minus 40 is minus 94, plus 94, plus 94 minus 98 is minus 4. That means, what is the value of delta A? That is determinant of A is equal to minus of 2k plus 4. This is what we have got. Now, we have to find out delta A to the power of 2025 last digit. That is second step. And that should be equated to 1 to find out the value of k. Delta A is minus 2, sorry, we will use the black pen, minus 2k minus 4 to the power of 2025. That will be equal to minus 2 to the power of 2025 into k plus 2 to the power of 2025. Power is an odd one, hence this value is a negative value. And minus 2 to the power of 2025, it is multiplied by k plus 2. Hence, this value is always even. Always even. The last digit will be always even. It implies last digit is always even. It implies no integer solution. But we have never given any condition that k should be an integer. Now let us try to find out if there is any rational number, real number. Next step is to find k such that k can be a rational number. And minus 2 into k plus 2 to the power of 2025 last digit is equal to 1. This is our next step. If k is a rational number, if there is any solution, let us see. Integer solution is not there. I have already explained odd unit digits in my previous lectures. Please see them. for further understanding. Now, the last digit of minus 2k minus 4 should be 1. Then how to find out this particular determinant? Let us say determinant A to the power of 2025 should be ultimately is equivalent to 1 mod 10. This is for last digit to be unit. This is a condition. For this condition, and let us try to analyze what is 2025. 2025 is equivalent to 1 mod 4. Do you agree? When 2025 is divided by 4, it gives a remainder of 1. This implies units digit of determinant A to the power of 2025 has to be 1. These both imply determinant of A to the power of 2025 is equivalent determinant of A mod 10. What is determinant? Minus 2k minus 4. Determinant of A is equal to minus 2k minus 4. this implies determinant of A is equivalent 1 mod 10. If determinant of A is not 1 mod 10, these particular conditions will not be fulfilled. The units digit of determinant 2025 has to be 1. That cannot be 1 until and unless determinant A is equivalent to 1 mod 10. Which implies, from this, it implies determinant A is equal to 10 m plus 1. Can we write like this? Some m number. Because determinant A divided by 10 gives a remainder of 1. That means from these two, we get the answer as, we get the relation minus 2k minus 4 is equal to 10m plus 1. Please try to understand the concepts, which implies k into minus 2 is equal to 10m plus 1 plus 4. That implies k is equal to minus 10m plus 5 by 2. If m is equal to 0, k value is minus 5 by 2. That means ultimately that implies k is equal to minus of 10m plus 5 by 2. This is the answer, and by varying the value of m, we will get the value of k. Hence, as we have found previously, there is no integer solution. The final answer is no integer solution, but rational solution is k is equal to minus 5 by 2 minus 5m, minus 5 by 2 minus 5m, and value of m, it varies, depends upon whatever the value you take for m. This is the solution, and when m is equal to 0, it is minus 5 by 2. initially what we have done? We have determined the determinant in terms of k, then that determinant as the last digit has to be 1 to the power of 2025, we made it, and we found that value is always even. Hence, there is no integer solution for k. If it is an integer, it is always even. If k is an integer, it is always even. It is here we have to write if k is even, if k is integer. Hence, there is no integer solution. Then we went into the process of finding the rational solution, and determinant of a to the power of 2025 equivalent to 1 mod 10. What we have to find out? In that process, is 1 mod 4. From the understanding of this one, we got that determinant A is equal to 1 mod 10. From this relation, I want to give you it as a homework, because you have to do the mathematics. Then only you will understand at least one step. This one you please do. Why it has come? It is the important step. Please try to understand this. I will give the hint here. Please try to do it at home. This homework. Determinant a to the power of 2025 is equivalent to d to the determinant a mod 10. That is, determinant a is equal to 1 mod 10. How we have got it? I will give the hint. Please use this hint and find out determinant a is equal to a equivalent minus 2k minus 4 mod 10. Implies determinant a is equivalent 6 minus 2k mod 10. It is only rearrangement of arithmetics, that's all. Because minus 4 equivalent 6 mod 10. This much you may be knowing. The powers of modulo 10 repeat every 4, so that the possible last 4 digits are 3791, last 4 digits are 3791. Use these 4 last digits and see. And 2025 a modulus equivalent to 1 mod 4. Hence, using this and this, we conclude that determinant A equivalent to 1 mod 10. That is the process. Try to understand that process. If you have any doubts on that, please comment on the comments column. I will reply to you. Please do. It's a very good example. Please do mathematics. Don't only listen and see the mathematics. Please do the mathematics along with me, and please try to understand and do it and see it repeatedly if you couldn't understand. And also, this step is very crucial. Please try to understand it and do it on your own. I have given 90% of the hint, and I left only 10% for your imagination and for your understanding. Please do it, so that you will become more and more perfect in your understanding of the mathematics. With this, I want to conclude this lecture, and if you feel there is a value addition because of this lecture to you, kindly share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. And if you feel it is worth hyping, kindly hype this video. This is a very good lecture, very good lecture, combining the concepts of linear algebra plus number theory. Please try to understand. We can never confine ourselves to learning only one topic. This is linear algebra means simultaneous equations plus number theory. Very important in nowadays computer engineering. Solving the simultaneous equations or equations. This is algebra. Please try to understand the concepts behind it, and kindly hype this video and kindly share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. From next lecture onwards, I think I will go as per certain syllabus in a manner of course, so that I will be giving the lecture on topic, and then I will be solving one or two problems on that lecture. I will be starting with, from next lecture onwards, I will be starting with sets and relations. Sets and relations. Let us start. This will be useful for Maths Olympiad. This way of structured course manner I want to go in a structured course manner, and this will be useful for Maths Olympiad, CBSE class 11 and 12, JEE Mains and also JEE Advanced, in addition to CSIR Maths and GATE Engineering Mathematics. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.